Average age of menopause. Menopause generally happens between the ages of 45 to 55 years old. According to studies, back in the olden days, menopause didn't happen until the average of 60 years old. But as time went by, the average age of menopause occurred between the ages of 40s to 50s. The reason for this could be due to the current lifestyle that women have these days, along with caffeine and alcohol consumption. Although the average age of menopause happens between the mid-40s to 50s, there is such thing as the early menopause which can happen during the 30s. There are a number of reasons as to why some women experience early menopause. There are women who undergo early menopause after undergoing hysterectomy or the surgical removal of all or part of the uterus. Women who are chronic cigarette smokers may also experience early menopause. Other causes of early menopause are the surgical removal of the ovaries, chemotherapy medications, trauma, and artificial radiation. Until the next video, thank you for watching.